who say they are opposing.
But now bahabisa.
Tukora nibo wakanya.
Ife kuramba ni nibo bahabisa.
So we told these Europeans, if you want to be homosexuals, go and be homosexuals, but don't involve us. So we shall deny you the money. Money? But me, I am a Muyindifu. Now, when I had this chance to lead you, was to tell you that you people get out of poverty. Everybody get out of poverty. But some people were talking of development, knowing that once there is a power station, it will attract factories. Factories will create jobs. But like when my son Nandala Mafabi goes to Namisindwa, the road is bad. Yes, but you are the one who delayed it. Because you are the one who was in parliament prioritizing salaries and allowances for yourselves. But the one who was in parliament, Nandala Mafabi, Mugisha Muntu, Kyagulanyi, have no right to speak about anything. Because they had a chance to show, either think or support what is correct, and they never did it. There's another one also called Munyagwa. I think he was also there. So these voices, you should be careful about them. Because first of all, they malign, they suppress our achievements.
And so this was a very good meeting. It summarizes our visit to Bugisu sub-region. We intend to do the same in all other sub-regions, and possibly it will remind the leaders that the campaign is in their hands to make sure that our flag bearers are supported by all the leaders of the party at all levels.
Expose the lies of the people who don't know who don't know. Maybe they know either working for foreign interests or working for bad local interests, or sometimes maybe they don't also know.
Musa Echeru, instructions of the Speaker, sir. Thank you.
Your Excellency, Honorable Speaker Annette Among, who instructed Honorable Echeru to chair
NRM chairman and the chairman of all chairpersons of NRM in the country. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
You are welcome, His Excellency. By names, I'm called Wamboya Hashim, Chairman NRM, Industrial State.
the butter, the powdered milk, everything is done here.
Those
are some of the products. Now, with the coffee, this is what I have been trying to do all these years.